hi, how's it going? And let's have a chat and flip through. I get to talk about my planner, and you guys can ask questions in the comments section, or, say what you're doing is trash. Either way, it works for me. I've got my coffee. I've mostly finished it, so I'm going to take a coffee break real quick. I mean, there's really nothing better than a bathrobe flip through. I don't think so. Let's go ahead and let's go look at my planner. This is August and September. I'm about to move into September, October. I do have like an overlap. I don't do like a full month at a time. It's like, halfway in this month and halfway in that month. And I'm fine with that. It's just, it works for me. Once I get my box, I really want to dive in. So, and that's what I do. And I also work for Cocoa Daisy, and I have some requirements to do too. So nothing much has changed here. I did some setup videos, and I'll link those above if you're really interested in looking at that. But one thing I don't really do with this is this calendar. You'll notice and see that when I do my flippin' chats, I don't really talk about that much. I don't know why I never use this calendar. Probably because of that whole staggered month thing. I'm really enjoying using the notepad for decorating sometimes, and I love these strong lines, so I cut that up and put that up in here. I love the tip-ins, but it's like, that kind of drives me nuts sometimes, flipping back and forth. This is the only memory keeping spread I did this month in here. I really want to do that more, but I do a lot of that in my Hobonichi, which you guys will probably never see, because talk about trash. That's just little bits of me with journaling and that sort of thing. But I love thinking about things that happen on non-busy days. So when I do the flip through and I look at this, and I do archive these, so I do keep them. And my plan for 2023 is at the end of the year, make sure I punch them all and put them all on big rings. And that way it's an easy flip through. And I don't have all this books and the covers and all of the extra bulk, because I could care less what this cover is. I might actually just take the cover, punch it, and then like put a tab on it and, delineate it that way. So, this had a lot of colors that weren't my jam, but that's the cool thing about Cocoa Daisies. It kind of gets me out of my little comfort zone. And I get to do other things. Talk about trash handwriting. There you go. I separate the calendar. I've got weekly parts and then followed by dailies. It has them here in the middle. I had some thoughts about this is next month, and here's the middle. I am making, because of the way I've rearranged the pages, I have 2 extra pages right here. And so I'm going to make always the middle like this dashboard situation where I have running food ideas and things I need to buy. So everything is in one spot, and then have sticky notes. And this is just kind of fun here. And today, and little notes and things as the middle of my planner, and then just keep going with the week. So you'll see that I do Monday, Tuesday, and then I have this central thing, and it doesn't bother me as I'm going to go through it. I've been thinking about it. It's not going to bother me at all. So that's the plan moving forward. Obviously in November, because this is September, October. Like this was for Instagram. You could see that I put a lot more energy and effort into it, and there's nothing wrong with that. I just was more thoughtful and intentional versus, I turned the page and it's blank, which gets me to like, I wanted to fully set up. I mean, I went so much as to, this is the end of October. I have all of the time dates already in the calendar, and I'm okay crossing them off if they get rid of, and then there's things like this dentist. I don't remember who it's for, but that little space reminds me that I really probably should look that up. I'm trying to work on some like lettering things. I'm not a huge brush letter person. Okay, yeah. Again, trash. I tried though. but I'm trying to, Abby Say has a handwriting book or hand lettering book, and I found this in there, and I was like, let's try it. There you go. That's what I got. This was a vacation weekend, so there's not a ton in here because I was trying to chill out and hang with fam. So, yeah, there you go. The other thing I'm thinking about doing in November, big changes. Well, not really. So I have my weekly spread, and then I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all on single pages. Well, I'm finding that my weekends, normally Saturday and Sunday, are super busy. And so what I want to do is make sure Saturday and Sunday have their own singular pages. And on the super busy, heavy, like running errand kid days, that I separate that into two. So I'm probably going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, moving forward. This is just because I was gone. All right, I don't remember where I was. Oh, here we are. This was from my, I thought the lettering, and again, I'm trying to think about lettering. I loved the lettering in this. This was from a Lean Cuisine box from work, and so I just cut it out and put it in there. And no, I don't care about bulk. If you've been around the block enough with me, you'll know that I do not care. All right, that is what it is. And so here's the extra 2-page. I don't know why I ended up with 4 extra pages this month. I think I must have screwed up somewhere, but that's what you get. And then as far as the cover goes, nothing much has changed. I don't know what I've got even in here. Oh, it's random sticker sheet, grocery list, notes, and there you go. Okay, so there you go. That is my August, September. I think what I'm going to do right now, I'm noticing that this is bugging me. I got my jelly roll here. I'm going to do a little of this. I'm going to shut it off for now because you guys don't need to see me fiddle farting. But thanks for joining me in my coffee chat and flip in my bathrobe. I don't do this often enough, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'd love to hear them. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.